Hey, friends! Looking for a lightweight yet powerful cordless vacuum to make cleaning your floors a breeze? Well, meet the amazing Fabuletta Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, the perfect solution for quick and easy pickups around the house. Now, I know what you're thinking, cordless vacuums lack the power you need for deep cleaning carpets. But this Fabuletta vacuum completely breaks that mold with a high-efficiency brushless motor that generates unbelievable suction power up to 25 kilopascals. We're talking effortlessly pick up dirt, dust, crumbs, and pet hair from any surface, hard floors, carpets, furniture, you name it. And at just under 3 pounds with a super slim profile, this Fabuletta cordless vacuum maneuvers into tight spaces and under furniture with ease. No more lugging around a bulky, clumsy corded vacuum from room to room. The hassle-free cordless design lets you grab it and go whenever messes strike. One of my favorite features is the convenient detachable battery design. The removable 2,500 mAh lithium-ion battery can provide up to 40 minutes of strong, fade-free power in eco mode. And it's easy to swap in a spare battery for unlimited runtime. No more frustrating mid-cleaning loss of suction. The 180-degree flexible brush head swivels to get into corners and along baseboards with no trouble at all. And the built-in LED lights illuminate all those hidden dust bunnies other vacuums leave behind. This Fabuletta vacuum comes with 3 handy attachments, a crevice tool, brush nozzle, and tube, so you can clean even more surfaces. Keep one handy to tackle pet hair or dusty blinds in a snap. And maintaining this cordless vacuum couldn't be simpler. The high-efficiency filter is washable and reusable, so no additional costs for replacements. Just rinse under water occasionally to keep suction at peak power. With 2 adjustable power modes, you can customize the suction for either a longer runtime or maximum cleaning power. And the convenient wall mount makes storage a cinch while keeping the vacuum fully charged and ready to go. So if you want incredible cleaning versatility from your cordless vacuum in a lightweight package, the Fabuletta Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is your answer. Order yours today from Amazon to take advantage of their competitive pricing and ultra-fast prime shipping. Your floors will look fabulous with this cordless cleaning powerhouse. Let me know if you have any other questions. I'm always happy to share vacuum recommendations so you can find your perfect match.